Hi, I'm Joe Traverti, Agronomy Manager at Ag Plus. It's December 4th, 2020, and I want to give you a progress update on our new dry terminal construction project. Crews have completed all concrete flatwork walls and above-ground supports. They have now begun above-ground wood construction. Cranes have been setting wooden supports and prefabricated bin walls in place. The building is beginning to take shape. Crews have been working around weather events like rain, snow, and windy days, but are still slightly ahead of schedule. The project is beginning to come together, and the goal of having a finished and operational facility by March 2021 is still on schedule. Stay tuned for additional updates on construction progress.